Hello, I'm David Strom, Editor-in-Chief of Tom'sHardware.com, and welcome to my video diary of the Computex trade show for June 2005. Going through the crowded show, which is held in downtown Taipei near the world's tallest skyscraper, I got to meet with the executives from many of Taiwan's major vendors and hear what they had to say. A little bit about what your efforts are in terms of markets in emerging countries versus the developed world like US and Europe. Where are you going to be spending your attention over the next year or so?
I think the biggest market for us is still in Europe.
Still in Europe?
Yeah, and this three areas also. China, we are the number one in the motherboard and the desktop. In Russia, we are the number one in motherboard, desktop, and notebook. And in India, now our volume is still very small. So we think Indian growth is very, very big. It will be another China.
Right.
Yeah, so China, Russia, and India will be three key areas for us to grow.
Okay, we're here with David Chang from Gigabyte. Thank you very much for meeting with us this afternoon. So you go about doing that. How do you find the right partners?
First, their marketing show. Second, if their people are professional or not, we talk with them.
Right.
How they select the product, how they do the channel marketing, how they do the channel management, we just ask. Third, how they do the service. If you don't have very professional service infrastructure, I don't think they can run a long term.
But a lot of these countries don't even have infrastructure. Forget about PC infrastructure. I'm talking like roads, electricity, getting food to their people. Nigeria, I mean, how many roads are there in the entire country?
Nigeria is our second step because we focus on Russia. Russia is not so bad. And Brazil is not so bad. And if you see India now, it's getting rich. And another, South Africa. Actually, South Africa, we are market share 40%. There are some people, maybe only some percent of people is rich. But
so it's the right products, the right place, the right partners. That's what you got to do.
Right infrastructure.
And the right infrastructure.
Yeah, that's the infrastructure because it's important.
Okay, well, thank you very much. We're here with Adam Chow from ECS. And what are you doing to make that growth happen in mainland China?
You need to have a very strong distribution network to have your goods delivered to your customers. So that's one. And we also send out several boards for product review, advertisement, and also the roadshow around China. And that's pretty much what we have done.
The show floor seems to be busy, but we didn't get much of a buzz. And talking to Henry Liu, it is clear because Taiwan is in a state of transition. Now, a lot of Taiwanese companies have increased their manufacturing plants in mainland China. And do you feel where is that going to go in the next couple of years?
They will go further. As we did in the past.
Do you think that eventually we won't see any manufacturing in Taiwan? It'll all move over to the mainland?
Not all, but a very high percentage will move to the mainland.
So what's going to happen with Taiwan? Is Taiwan just going to be the country its businesses, or is everything going to move?
In the short term, probably in the next 5 years, and also R&D will be still keep here. So R&D in IT or some dedicated market product, the R&D manpower is more stronger here than China.
Right.
So operation, marketing, of course, and R&D.
Where's the vision for these companies? Bernie Tsai at AOPEN clearly has one.
1984, they created VET. Chrysler vehicle car created VET, family outgoing car.
Yep.
So when we design the desktop here, the notebook, the sedan, and the bus here. So someone need to like a van, minivan, RV, SUV, and SUV. You know what I mean?
Right.
So we try to create like a PC business right now that meet to the different segment. Before the PC in family, just only one set. But right now, internet create a lot of the different segments. So you can see we providers use the component standard but provide a different solution. So you can see that right now the family, every time I point out to Japanese people, the TV is a member of the family. I have 2 daughters and it was my wife. But when we tie together, watch TV. We are not together with the washing machine or refrigerator. We just together with the TV. But right now the child, they come back. They don't watch TV. They just go into the internet.
And there are some cool companies at
So are people more
Computex, such as
interested in liquid
Thermaltake.
cooling these days? Has it moved beyond an enthusiast kind of occupation, more generally accepted, or?
Yeah, sure. That's the market trend.
And is the price points coming down to the point where more people can be attracted to this solution?
Okay, they have a 2 way for liquid cooling. One of the applications is inside the case. The other application is outside the case. So I think for inside the case, the solution should be cost down. Then you have a chance to bundle with your chassis ship the customer together. We are trying to build another new business model, case plus power supply and the liquid cooling module installed with case before we ship the customer.
Right.
Yeah. So I predict the market price will be decreased year by year. So next year will be a lot of application use the water cooling with case.
These guys taking pictures of.
Computex is even so proud of that booths are outside on the streets.
So that's our look at Computex 2005. More attention to India and other emerging markets, and Taiwan in transition. This is David Strom reporting.